Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, as the Duke of Sibet, I have accepted an invitation to attend a grand festival of the god of nature. The early birds choir competed to find my favorite melody, and the pheasants lined up to harmonize, creating a mountain concert in my honor. With the accompaniment of this most beautiful harmony, I ventured deeper into the dense forest to keep my appointment with the lilac. Dear lilac, you were still asleep in April, but you finally awoke in May. This boundless wilderness is your brightest stage. Your white and purple hues, with their intoxicating fragrance, vie for attention with their unique sexy power. Your enchantments spread across the fields, attempting to captivate my soul. Alone, I hunted for beauty amid your scent. I exhausted my camera and affections, losing myself in your passion and abandon. In this vast, vibrant forest of crimson cliffs, we met, reunited, reluctantly parted, and bid farewell, each with heartbeats that loved deeply. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, welcome to 火石寨.